The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Robertson County and Central Texas, central Milam County and Central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cameron, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cameron, Hearn, Calvert, Buckholz, Milano, Crossroads, Silver City, Hoyt, Jones Prairie, Hanover, Minerva, Ben Arnold, Maysfield, Pettibone, Burlington, Munford, Branchville, and Gause. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. The current time is 8:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time.